Okay, y'all, so I'm starting to do post notification shoutouts for the first 3 comments, and these were Dwanisha's Lifestyle, Jay Holder, and Jay Hewitt. Thank you.
Hey guys, it's your girl Karenza here with another video, and today I'm doing my hair because my birthday is coming up.
This is the brand of hair I use, 4 purples and 1 black. I asked my sister to part my hair, so forgive the mess, but she tried. But this is the base of the style.
So let me show y'all something, right? Because I am a beginner and this is the first time I'm doing this style. But word to the wise, when y'all are doing the hair, start from the bottom and make your way up. Why? Because if you split it, it can get tangled up. I learned that the hard way. So trust me, start from the bottom and make your way up. Just run your thumb through it, and then do the other side. For this one, I trying to accomplish a look where I can put black at the top and then purple at the bottom. So I want to start to wrap the purple first and then ombre the black to the purple. Some complicated, but I can actually do it and then see how it look. Right?
So as I said, the reason why I started so low is so I could implement an ombre effect. So the purple would be at the bottom and the black would go to the top. When the hair wasn't coming out the correct way, I would always unravel and then continue to wrap.
Boom.
So this is the black hair that I use, but you didn't really need a lot because it was just to create the ombre effect. This is the progress here. I was trying to create a long-sided bob, one side longer than the other side.
If you made it to the end of this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any videos when I post. Bye.